Hello everyone, today I'll be doing an unboxing video for the Insta360 Go 2, the tiny mighty action camera. So this is a very small camera. You can mount it on your head, mount it on your chest, put it really about anywheres. It's got flow state stabilization, which keeps the footage very smooth. It's hands-free, you can mount it pretty much anywheres. It's 2.5K up to 50 frames per second, waterproof, auto editing, hyperlapse, slow motion, remote control, Wi-Fi preview. So this little guy's got about 30 minutes of battery life, and it also comes with a little charging case for storage, charging. It's a remote, and it's also a tripod. So in the box, you got the Insta360 Go 2 charge case, charging cable, magnetic pendant, easy clip, pivot stand, and a quick start guide. So let's open it up. Wow. Oh, that's magnetically placed there. That's so cool. Now this is like the size of my thumb. It's very small, but it can shoot some pretty cool videos, either in this orientation or this way. Very small, but handy. Now this is a action camera, so it's meant to capture more sportier footage. Let's open this up, see what else we got in here. Magnetic pendant instructions, quick start guide, and all the goodies. The case here, so it's pretty cool. You put the camera in there, you got yourself a remote. That is also a tripod, and it has a 1/4-inch screw, so you can mount this on other tripods if this little one isn't good enough for you. I did hear that it is a little bit hard to stand up, like the tripod doesn't really hold on very well, but that's where you'd mount that thing and do it that way. So cool. This is about the size of an AirPod case, so not a whole lot. You can throw it in your pocket and you got a camera ready to go at any time. Here's the easy clip, so you mount that onto your hat, your shirt, whatever you feel comfortable with, and you can angle it up or down, control the camera. That's pretty cool. Got a charging cable. It's USB-C, perfect, fast charge. And then we have this, which is the multi-purpose case. It comes with a little strap so you can hold on to it, but it also, get it out of it's got a sticky adhesive there that you can reuse and stick onto pretty much anything and then angle this around to get your shots. Very cool. And then otherwise you can use that, hold on to it as kind of like a little grip, in addition to this grip that we got here. So that's what comes in the box. We also got the pendant. I'll get that out. Really excited for the pendant because I like to do some action videos, and I have a mount for my action cameras, but it's kind of a little bit difficult, and this is just so much easier. So I'll put this on and show you guys how this works. So with the magnetic pendant, I just got it on my chest there, but it's pretty simple. Slap it on and it's on there pretty good. You can pull it off, but it's on there quite good. But what you can do is you can slip this through your shirt and then just mount the camera this way. Make it easy. It's pretty low key. If this is black, it would kind of blend in a little bit better, but pretty cool. Don't have to think about it. I don't even notice that I'm wearing it because it weighs less than an ounce. So it's quite light and it just goes on there super simply. So I'm excited to get to using the Insta360 Go. I'll definitely do a review video once I get using this thing, but this is my unboxing video for the Insta360 Go 2. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.